Ashley came and dropped off today a whole box. I got a couple loaves of bread. Now this box was filled to the tops completely. I snuck some stuff under my desk actually. So this box been ran through, but we got some pecan swirls, some junior coconut cakes. These honey buns are fire, absolute gas. Some ding dong looking things. There was like 4 bags of donuts, the chocolate and the powder glazed. Yeah, see there's a bag of chocolate down there. We got some of those bad boys. I mean, whole box full of just fiery goodness. Shout out to Ashley for coming through and really bringing me the bread. Something y'all may not know about Ashley is Ashley actually drives a bread truck for a living. He delivers bread and baked goods like that for a living. Shop would be nothing without the guys that work out back. When I left last night, this truck had barely been started on, and when I come in this morning, it's done. You know, the guys stayed late, Brandon, Leonard, the guys that work in the shop, Jordan, all the rest of the guys. This place would be nothing without these guys. You guys think that we just wake up one day and the trucks are done? You know, I make everything look cool and I make it look fast and everything, but these guys stay late sometimes. For you guys that come out of town, Ashley's truck got done in what, 3 or 4 hours? So he dropped it off at 3 or 4 o'clock yesterday, and I come in this morning and the whole lift kit's done. The wheels and tires are mounted up. I mean, these guys really put in the hours to get these trucks done for you guys. And, you know, I just wanted to take this time to showcase and make sure that you guys know that none of this would get done without these guys back here. And everything that I do is because of these guys. So my success is based off of what these guys are able to pull off in the timely manner that they're able to get it done. So shout out to the Southern Tire team up here for always pulling through in the clutch and getting shit done. It's a great day when the bread man gets to come through the shop. It looks like a different truck, but I actually really like it. It looks good. I really like that wheel in the black and mill. I don't know why, but I feel like the black ones look bigger than the chrome ones did. It looks good, doesn't it? You want to know the best part though? That's metal. That'll hurt your finger. You don't no plastic sounds over here. We're all metal over here. Now your wheels match your lift kit. It matches everything. It looks good now. Are you happy with it? I hope so. For as long as we waited for these damn wheels, I hope you're happy with it. We're learning. I'm trying to make you a part of the process. It's no fun if I'm the only one that gets to film and have a good time. Right? One of the coolest things about what I do is being able to involve customers that call. They call and they're fans of the channel and they become more friends than anything. And I'll film anybody and anything, especially if y'all show love to the channel. You become a part of the channel at some point. And Mr. Ashley here has become a part of the channel and the family, the gang, whatever you want to call it. So I hooked my man up with a decal. I'm terrible at putting the decals on, so no, I won't. Respectfully, I'm not going to put your decal on because I'm terrible at it. I don't want to mess it up. Well, do what?
Needs to warm up.
Yeah, that too. But we waited long enough. Don't drop them. Here, I'll let you see what it. Hole one. See what it. The boy's cap. They're billet too. They're not plastic. They're metal. So they're nice, and it's just that easy. You can get them powder coated at some point if you want to. I'd be careful though, just because if you get them powder coated and they start filling in, it might not fit right. Yeah, I'll get a little rubber hammer, but you get the gist of it, right? Yep. Kind of sit on there like that, and there you go. Your beautiful upper control arm cap. Shout out McGoy's, best lift kit company in the nation. I love the McGoy's lift kits. I don't know why, but I really do. Y'all know why. I just say that. Do the other side. Fit in there all nice and tight like my shirts. Let me go get you a little hammer and make you a part of the process. Look, I meant to talk about it yesterday. The gold inspired Bread Gang shirts are on the website now, so make sure you guys order those. Give me a week or two to get them made and printed and shipped out to you, but you got your gold logo on the front, gold logo on the back. The bread man came through and dropped off a whole bunch of goodies that we're gonna be tearing into in the shop. I'm already almost not fitting into a large shirt anymore, so he's you're kind of throwing off my diet here a little bit. I've been trying to eat a little bit. Look, that's how bad it gets. The people at the Chick-fil-A, when I go in and don't order the coffee now, they consistently know me to get coffee 6 days a week. They still make it for me and give it to me even though I don't order it. So I'm not even paying for coffees anymore, but I'm, like Leonard does, I'm putting on a little. But Bread Man, I love you. I appreciate all of the business and kind energy that you've brought this way. Let's get this bread. That's for you when you go watch it later. Hold on, let's look at this one first. What we got going over here? What we got going on over here? The gold twins. The gold.
That thing dirty as shit, man.
I couldn't let you be the only one with the gold now.
I know, right, man? God damn.
I had to step my game up just a little bit.
Coming at me, too.
Look at the enthusiast hoodie, though. I kind of like that.
I know, man. I know. I'm trying to win me with the goddamn...
I kind of like that.
I'm trying to win a truck. That's why I brought this shit.
Win a truck to give away a truck?
Hell yeah, to give away goddamn dually. I said, shit, if you buy me a sweater so I can win me a dually,
I just saw him post a video. He just picked up a Ram, like a black one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he might be giving away a Ram. We're talking about Dirty Max Jack. For any of you that know the Dirty Max Jack YouTube channel and all the giveaways that he does.
I say, man, let me get that, man. Let me get that.
Brown and rose gold. It's iconic is what it is.
Yes, sir.
It's iconic.
I'm even matching the truck. I'm matching the truck today.
You match, yeah, the inside, yeah. The peanut butter inside.
You know what I'm saying? That's my drip.
You're too tall for me. I got to back up a little bit.
See my drip today, you know what I'm saying?
Look at fit check today.
I know, fit check.
What's that, Black Label? No, Black Taylor?
No, whatever.
I don't even know what that is.
Man, shit, some shit I ordered.
Man, you know this man got fanny packs on his legs. Too much money.
Man, ain't no money in there.
You got some money in them pockets?
Broke, man.
Hey, did you get this when you were in Thailand?
Oh man, this is actually a gold bar.
Really?
This actually a gold bar, a real gold bar. It weighs almost 80 grams.
80 grams.
Yeah.
My math is bad, so I'm not even gonna. I'm not even gonna ask. Just know it's gold. It's real gold.
Yeah, it's real solid gold. 24 karat gold, solid bar.
Ooh, with the gold. Hey, Mr. Bro's gold pulling up. Hey, you need to just buy this one then and have 2 gold trucks.
I need to, man.
Get you another Goldie.
I like this bread game. I might have to steal this from you.
If you need it.
I might have to steal that concept from you.
Whatever you need. Look, I got the hookup. The hookup.
Throw it in the bank, rose gold.
Yeah. We need to get a rose gold logo done. Is what we need. But look, we really came out here to come look at the other truck. Is really what it was.
Yeah, I need to look at
this one's cool, but it ain't cool like this. This is a different kind of cool. Raw opinion. What you think?
This motherfucker look good.
It looks good.
It looks good, man.
With the 2214s in the back though. Yeah, lit back there.
But it looks good.
So we did the wheels and tires. We did the front and rear Willwood brake conversions. I believe they did a subframe and all new suspension in the front, and then 4-link in the back. So we're sitting low now.
I hope this motherfucker, by the time it's done, I hope it get it.
It should.
I hope it gets it.
Be moving. What's up with that mullet today though?
I'm getting mine skint back. Chrome dog.
Mississippi mudslide. I'll do it if you do it. We out here talking about the gold. I gotta show you the new shirt. They ain't on the website yet, but hopefully by the time y'all see the video, they'll be on the website with the
Oh,
Gold. Come on now.
look at you.
Come on now.
Look at
And
you.
it's got the big gold logo on the back
Let me
too.
see, let me see, let me see. I can't see it, I can't see it. Man, you better take that off. You still can't see it.
Oh, it'll be on there. Y'all go check it out on the website.
God damn, look at you, boy.
be on there.
Talk about me.
Gold, baby. Gold. No, I got silver chain on
This
it.
boy got that drip going on right
But
here.
hey, I'm ready to rob a store. What you talking about?
Yeah, you got the blight joints on.
We ready to snatch and run out here.
Them blight Air Force Ones.
We
You
ready
got
to
to
snatch
watch.
and run.
Yeah, you got to watch out for that.
Hey, hold on. Just in case somebody wants to get crossed up. Just in case you want to get. Go watch out. I'm ready for everything. I'm ready for it. Don't come at me. Don't come at me with that.
How y'all like the gold truck, the C10, the 68, 68?
I'm not even really like an old school truck guy, but I like it. I feel like I can see myself, cruising downtown with it one day. You know what I mean? Cruising downtown, throw your arm up on the seat. Got your lady friend in the seat. Just kind of cruising, hand on the steering wheel, window down. Your mullet flying in the back. You know what I mean? Me and Leonard are going to get mullets cut today.
Oh, lemon skin.
Yeah, I'm about to cut the. I'm gonna cut the mop off.
Hey, you have been growing it. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I've been growing it out a little bit.
You might. Hey, why don't you get it braided? Get it braided before you cut.
What, like cornrows?
Yeah, cornrows. Get cornrows before
It's
you
not long enough. Hey, Jordan does cornrows though, for real.
Yeah?
He does, yeah. Every couple of months he'll do it one time. I don't know who does it, but he'll braid it sometimes too.
Oh man, we're trying to make this the Hellcat killer.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you're gonna have to go. You're gonna have to face J4 first. With
I want to.
With the scat pack.
No, I ain't fucking with Jay.
he had some kid up here just lost for words talking shit with some kid up here the other day.
Yo, yeah.
Some kid came over here with a Mustang and just really didn't know what J4 had. All J4 kept telling him was it was a scat pack. And all of us are sitting up there laughing like, come on now.
Yeah.
Tell the kid what you got and stop playing.
Yeah,
But
setting them up.
The kid was just, what's after the engine shop? We got a couple little small things to do once it gets done at the engine shop over here.
After the engine shot, it's going to the interior shot. All that's getting done over.
What you gonna do on the inside?
Man, new seats.
Seats, headliner, carpets, everything.
Center console, radio. Yeah, it's gonna look modern than that. It's gonna look up to date.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes. We're gonna two-tone it. We're gonna try to match it up, two-tone.
Are you gonna repaint it?
Eventually.
It look good.
Oh, look at that big thing. Look at that big thing. Who that?
I feel like I should bring you to the shows and let you just walk around and film.
Who that?
I feel like your commentary would be perfect.
We gonna get it and shit it in this.
Coming back.
Coming back.
Yeah. Unless you want to come back inside.
Yeah, I'm coming back inside. Cold out here. When it's cold outside, girl, who are you holding? You be holding me. Well.
The wheel lockers with it.
Oh, coming back outside.
Oh, we're good.
We good.
I tagged you. You did it.
Ending the filming.
Did you give the keys already?
Wait, man, I ain't turn this off.